Welcome everyone to Tax Strategies for Law Firms and Other Small Businesses. My name is Bryan Santarelli. I'm a tax attorney at law firm of FisherBroyles. And today we're going to be talking about these strategies that can save small businesses literally tens of thousands of dollars and many times even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay. Yeah, this is just the typical disclaimer here. This is just a CLE course. It's not intended to educate you enough that, and unless you're a tax attorney yourself, to go out and practice some of these techniques here, but it's just to make you aware of them and how powerful they can be. So the overview and objectives of what we're going to talk about today. First, I want to talk about what a tax strategist is and how he or she can help a business. And then choice of business and tax entities. They're actually two separate things, and to make sure that you understand that. And then just some example tax strategies. Of course, isn't long enough to talk about every single possible tax strategies, but just to give you an idea of what some of the strategies are and how powerful they can be in terms of saving money. What's a tax strategist? So if you own a small business or you have a client that owns a small business and they just open up their business and someone says, hey, you need to have someone do your taxes to help you with your taxes. The first person or type of person they think of is a CPA. I need to go get a CPA. And CPAs are great. A lot of CPAs do tax returns and they do them well. But most CPAs aren't tax strategists. They're more, I would say, reactive than they are proactive, meaning that a business goes to them and says, hey, here's what we did financially this year, and then the CPA can fill out the taxes appropriately, as opposed to the CPA saying, hey, you should do this or this. With a tax strategist, you have opportunities, obviously, to lower your tax liability. Tax strategist understands the tax laws and some other things they do. They can typically, when I do this, I meet with clients like 4 times a year, once each quarter. And so like during each quarter, you're always seeing what the clients, what they're doing, what they want to, what they're planning on doing, what their financial situation is, and you're always estimating how much tax is going to be due. And the estimates may not be like at Q1, it may not be the same as in Q3, but it's by keeping that estimate up, it allows the client